Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Samsung Galaxy Z Flip3. Start by accessing Play Store on both devices. Then you need to tap on the search bar, type Send Anywhere and download this free app from this developer. After that, open it. Now you need to tap on I accept, confirm, continue and allow on both smartphones. After that, go with receive on Flip and send on an Android. After that, click on all of those kind of dots and choose send in order to send all of your files. It will take some time though, so I will only click on one photo or one file. For example, that one. Choose send and click on it. From here we have two connection ways. You can input this key over here and tap on receive or scan QR code. In order to scan it, click on the scanning icon on Samsung Galaxy Flip, choose while using the app and point your device's camera at the code. Then wait a minute. As you can see, my photo was successfully sent. If you wish to check it out for sure though, you can always go into app called My Files, click on In My Keys Images and go to Send Anywhere folder. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!